And so in 1964, production began, and the automatic machines swung into top gear. So too did the plant's stringent quality control system. At control stations all along the production lines, inspectors use instruments whose precision is accurate to 1/1,000,000th of 1 inch. Checking, measuring, precision, always precision. Precision in crankshaft turning. Precision to be measured meticulously with diamond-tipped gauges coupled to direct reading electric meters. Precision in hydraulics made at Basildon for tractors built in Antwerp and Highland Park, too. And again, quality control right on the production line. Hydraulic components come together in one of the cleanest places in Britain, the dust-proof assembly shop. Again, the rigid Basildon pattern is repeated with quality control taking over from assembly. To check, to measure. As the tractors come together, the pattern of assembly and check is repeated over and over again. In the engine testing bay, 29 dynamometers, the first of their kind in Europe, make stringent checks on power, performance, and fuel consumption. Now the gearbox joins the engine. And the checks continue. "250 items on engine and tractor assembly, all to be checked and checked again by inspectors. Round the plant runs a 1.25 mile long monorail, and now it takes the basic tractors up to the paint shop, first for thorough cleansing. And then 2 coats of a special paint, checked for durability in every climatic condition in the world. From the paint shop, the tractor moves into the final assembly line. The tractor shape becomes more recognizable, and each part added means more checks to carry out. Checks on efficiency. Checks on quality. In goes the fuel and lubricating oils. Another new Ford is complete, but the tests are not. Iron weights, heavier than any implement the tractor will ever meet, are hung onto the hydraulic linkage to check lifting capacity. And so, after final inspections, the story of one tractor is complete. But the story of Ford Basildon is the story of 300 tractors a day, 75,000 tractors a year, each made with the same meticulous care, each subject to the same stringent series of checks, each sent out with the assurance that it will set new standards of productivity on the farm, whether it be 10 miles from Basildon or 10,000. 75% of Basildon-made tractors are shipped overseas, earning 1% of Britain's entire export income, justifying Basildon's claim to the title of Tractor Center of the World.